Welcome to Streemlion's Everest Panel video tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to upload media files, generating playlists, assigning media files, and program different schedules. First, ensure you're logged into your broadcaster dashboard. Uploading media files. From the left pane, select Auto DJ, followed by Media Manager. On the Media Manager page, click the Server Name section. Media files can be directly uploaded to the server's default folder. Alternatively, you can create a new folder based on your needs. To create a new folder, click on the New Folder button. For example, if naming the folder Nepali Songs, type this name in and then click Create. Your new folder will appear under the server name. To add media files, choose the folder and either drag files into the area labeled Drop a File Here, or click to select a file to upload, or click and select files from your PC. Select one or multiple files to upload. Monitor the progress of the upload. Once complete, your media files will be listed under the server name. Creating playlists. From the left pane, select Auto DJ, followed by Playlist. Click Add New to start creating a playlist. Fill in the mode, title, and tags as needed. For mode, options like Shuffle or Sequential are available. Advanced features, such as Avoid Same Track from Repeating and Avoid Same Artist from Repeating, can be configured by setting up time intervals. Remember to enable or disable these as required. Finalize by clicking the Add button. Your playlist is now successfully created. Adding media files to a playlist. From the left pane, choose Auto DJ, then select Media Manager. In the Server Name section, select the desired folder or individual media files. Click the Add to Playlist button. From the drop-down list, choose the playlist where you want to add the media. For instance, I'm selecting the My Test playlist that I recently created. Click the Add button to finalize. Scheduling playlists. From the left pane, go to Auto DJ and select Schedule. Click Add New Schedule. In the Schedule Type drop-down, select how often you want your playlist to play, non-stop, 24/7, daily, where you can specify days and times, or one-shot for a particular day or range of days with start and end times. Under Interrupt option, choose Between. Yes, the next scheduled playlist starts precisely on time, interrupting the previous one if needed. No, the next playlist will begin only after the current track from the previous playlist has finished. Click the Add button to finalize. With these settings configured, your radio will play the uploaded songs as per the scheduled times from your chosen playlist. How to upload and schedule jingles in Everest Panel. Now let me show you how to upload and schedule jingles in Everest Panel. This will help your station to sound polished with professional IDs, promos, and sponsor messages. Navigate to the section on the left-hand side and click on Media Manager. This is the section where you can upload your jingles. Here I advise that you create a special folder or folders to hold your jingles. Give your folder a unique name. Now select and upload your jingle files and organize them. If the files aren't put in the folder, you may have to move them manually. Next, create a playlist to schedule the jingle. You can create different jingle playlists to schedule for different use cases. Example, top of the hour news, weather, paid ads/promos, your station-owned jingles, and more. Create jingle and enable it to be active. Select random or sequential for auto DJ to play one after the other, or pick any jingle at random. Next, select your desired schedule timing. Options include per minute, hourly, daily, between tracks, and at playlist start. In this case, I want between tracks for my station drops. Choose what suits your style. Lastly, remember to cross-check if your files are in the right jingle playlist. Save and monitor. If you learned something, like and subscribe to Streemlion for more helpful tutorials. Visit streemlion.com for more info.